Did you give up on trying to dress Jacob and now you're just trying to dress you? If he won't wear them, you will? I'm being my usual helpful self. Sitting on the couch. We're trying to get everybody dressed. Lily's really trying to get Jacob dressed. Jacob is being non-compliant. He's just running around.
Coming up on How It's Made, Remix. Hi. Everything you need for your 4th of July cookout. Hot dogs. Barbecue briquettes.
Hi, babe. He's not going to say hi.
And of course, fireworks.
Cheese.
Lily wants us to take a picture.
I see the camera from the backyard. Cheese.
I love her.
Jacob shorts.
In fact, there are reports of German immigrants
Cheese.
selling them from push carts in New York's Valley.
Bye.
No cheese?
Cheese.
A century
You want me to do?
hot dogs are still the number one on the street.
No.
It's Saturday, so we're getting ready to go somewhere, and these people are all over the place. Nobody's focused on anything. Come here. Oh, look at this handsome devil. Did you get a haircut?
Yeah.
I love
Yeah.
it.
Got all of them good.
Adorable. Oh, Daddy's so funny. Look at this boy. He's my favorite. Alex, careful! Owie, 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 owie. Grab my back. There's spots on my back. I had a couple of moles shaved off of my back, which is the first time I've ever had that done. And by the way, it's kind of a mortifying experience. Not because it hurts so much, but because they shave something off of your body, and then the numbness wears off. Got a little tender. You ready to go? We have to go get Jacob some pants. We're ready to go now, but at the last minute, Lily needed a sucky. She's sleepy. I'm kind of hoping she doesn't fall asleep right away. I don't know, we'll see. I'm gonna put her in the Ergo probably and wear her so that she can get a nap if she needs one. Otherwise, I don't know what we're gonna do. It wasn't a well thought out plan. Are you hoodlums buckling up? Give this to your sissy. Oh, you know what we were looking at there. And Emma's drawing. And this guy's driving.
I like to drive.
Do you like to drive? Do you really?
Drive well.
Are you saying I drive bad?
I'm just saying I drive better. You drive bad.
We're here. Where are we, you ask? We're at the berry farm.
Berry farm.
We're gonna pick berries. This baby is tired and not necessarily into this and a little bitchy. Hello. I'll probably have to let her down at some point. Tim's inside getting buckets because we don't know how to bring our own. So, fun times. What is that? Is it a fat white bird? Jacob. Jacob.
What?
Is that a fat white bird?
Yes.
Yes. Which is funny because it's actually a chicken. He calls every bird on the planet a chicken.
Chickens,
Sidewalk chickens, parking lot chickens, road chickens. Except for the actual chicken, which he calls a fat white bird. I love you.
Mommy.
Look!
Sleeping goat.
It's a goat. Let's go get some berries. Come on.
I'm gonna go get berries. Berries.
Go get berries. Go that way.
You're welcome.
That's so many blueberries. My little minions picking my blueberries. Mmm.
Strawberries too.
Oh, you have big fat raspberries. They're not strawberries.
They're not strawberries. Some of them are
They're
the size of a
raspberries.
strawberry.
Some of them are the size of a strawberry. Lily has given up on riding or walking.
She still gets a blueberry every once in a while.
She does still grab something once in a while.
Be careful for that baby.
Ever the nonconformist. So we're just playing on the playground, and by we're I mean the kids. Tim is inside paying for our berries. We got a small amount, like I would say a snack size amount of raspberries and a butt ton of blueberries, so that's good. We may have to come back in a few weeks and get more blueberries. We'll see. This is a super inexpensive way to get blueberries. Jacob likes blueberries because they're a super fruit. Anyway, so we're just gonna get our berries and play and probably go get some lunch. Wanna go get some lunch?
Yeah.
Okay, we should do that. Do you see this? That is a good daddy right there. That is a good daddy. That tiny, I don't even know if you can see. That tiny little human, he urgently had to poop. So the daddy ran him on his back in the blistering heat. Meanwhile, we decided to go and get some food from the store and do a little picnic style lunch at the park. So we're at the park. Let's go see what's happening over here. And there's Lily with her cheese. Every time she sees a camera, it's cheese. Hey babies, are you having fun? Hi. Hi. Are you having fun?
Hi.
Stinker. We've been invited to go play family kickball with some friends later, so we're gonna go do that. Whee! Here's my children doing death-defying acts. Do it again, do it again. Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
That's one way to do it. Then there's that child who does not actually follow the laws of physics. Jeez Louise. Can you go the other way? Yeah, like, yeah.
Mama, monkey.
That would be way harder.
You guys putting rabbit.
Yeah. Okay, I don't do what you gotta do, dude. Oh, you did it! Wow. And look at this monkey. Hey, monkey. You really are a monkey.
Look at
Yeah.
Watch this. Watch this.
Yep, I'm a monkey, she says.
Oh!
Are you a monkey?
Yeah. Monkey.
Yeah, monkey.
Let me do a trick.
Alright, I'm gonna go see what Daddy's doing. We're at the park relaxing and hanging out while our kids play. And you know what my husband is doing?
Eating ice and waving to the baby.
Chewing ice in my ear. Because he's hateful. Stop it. They're playing hide and seek to see Jacob. Oh, he's not creeping anymore. He wasn't creeping. It was adorable. Where's Lily? Oh, Lily's on the playground.
Sweetie.
Waving hi. Can you see her from there? Can we zoom in from... Oh, I don't think you can zoom in this view. And those kids over there. Oh, look at the babies playing in nature. This is a cool park. Oh, Lord, here comes Emma.
Uh-oh, here comes that Lily.
Oh, Lord, here comes Lily. Oh, Lord, they're converging upon us.
Take it down, Jacob. Run up on it. Get that. Get that. Run, 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 run. Good run. That's a beautiful kick. Run. Run. Ray Dale, you're up, babe.
I think I sweat on the camera.
Your water, baby.
We just got home from kickball and park time. It was super sweaty and hot. Everybody's dusty and gross, so they're going to shower. My husband has informed me that I need to close out my vlog because I don't have a goodbye, so that's what we're doing now. So, without further ado, I will gather the collected people around me for a quick goodbye. Everybody say goodbye.
Bye. Bye.
Jacob, say bye.
Bye.